Hey guys, welcome back to Álgebra 2 today. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. Come on, you guys know I'm not going to do these videos like a different day to wear a different shirt. Nah, babe, I don't have time for that. Okay, so look at this. If you've already looked at it, better have your book open, better have your cuaderno, por favor. Okay, you can write in the book to take notes, by the way. Just please don't put the answers. That's what I don't want you guys to be doing, okay? But if you looked at this lesson already, you're like, no sé, engañe, I haven't looked at the lesson until you tell me to look at it. Okay, well, look at it. Look what it says. Perimeter, area, volume, surface area, sectors of circles. And you're like, oh my word, we're all going to die on this one. I know, it's another concept that not a lot of you guys like, but we're going to be positive because honestly, these are fun and they're easy. Come on, have your calculator. If you have a calculator, please beg your parents to get you a calculator if you don't have one. Okay, because it's really going to help you. Okay, we don't have to go through all the wording of this whole chapter, this whole lesson until we get to example 1. I'm just going to kind of teach it as we go through the examples because it'll be a lot faster and easier for you to understand why we're talking about all this. Just to give you a base really quick though, here's your circle, right? In your circle, there's parts of the circle, yeah? The line all the way across it, doesn't matter where it is across it, there, doesn't matter. The line across it is going to be your what? Diameter. D, diameter is all the way across, okay? The line that's only halfway across it, which is half of the diameter, right, is your what? Radius, the R, okay? So the one all the way across your diameter, the one halfway across or half of your diameter is your radius. So you want to find the circumference. The circumference, you guys, listen carefully to what the circumference is. It is the measure around the circle. That's your perimeter. Say it with me. Say it out loud. I don't even care if you look crazy. Perimeter. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle. Okay? Because you're going to see it in this example right now. And I used to make you guys write it 50 times if you forgot this because it really makes a huge difference, you guys. Okay, this right here is going to ask you for the perimeter and area. And if you don't know how to find the perimeter of a circle, which is the circumference, then you're going to just be adivinando over on this side where the half of the circle is. Which is what you guys do, right? Sometimes if you don't understand, you start adivinar, which sometimes is good, but not if you have resources to know what it is, okay? So say it again. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle. Okay, so if they say find the perimeter of the circle, you're going to find the circumference. Well, how do you find the circumference? It's pi times d. Okay, pi times d, what's pi? 3.14. What's pi? 3.14. Okay, or it's 2 times pi r. Okay, you can do either one. You can do find the d and then do times pi, or you can do just 2 times the radius times pi. Because the diameter is 2 times the radius, okay? So most of the time, guys, you're going to use this one. Because most of the time, they're not going to give you the diameter of a circle. They're going to give you the radius of the circle. And you have to multiply by 2, which is how the book goes, okay? And then how do you find the area of the circle? That's inside the circle. Whatever's inside the circle, what is that? Area? Pi r squared. Pi r squared. If you don't know those formulas yet, you gotta know them. That's all I can tell you. Learn them. Okay, here we go. Example 1. So they say find the perimeter and the area of this shape. Okay, let's do perimeter first. Because really the perimeter is like super fast. See, the only thing that really involves like math is right here. Perimeter is the distance around something. So if you already have your sides, you have 4 and 5 and 7. You just need to know what this is, and it's not 2, even though that's the radius, and it's not 4, even though that's the diameter. You have to find the circumference, okay? The circumference of the circle, and then divide that in half, because it's half of a circle, right? So here we go. Let's do it. Circumference. Circumference equals 2 pi r is what I'm going to use. So you have 2 times 3.14 times your radius, which is 2. Okay? You can... Oh my, you can't see that. I'm so sorry. Let's try to get you to be able to see that. You can kind of see. I just won't write any lower than that. Sorry about that. Okay, so 2 times 3.14 times 2 is going to be your circumference. Now guys, let me write this up here. You have 2 options right here. You already know that it's going to be cut in half because it's half a circle, so you could divide by 2 right now. Cancel it out and just do 2 times 3.14. But if you're looking at me like you're nuts because I wouldn't have thought of that, okay, study in. So we're going to do the circumference first and then divide it in half. 2 times 3.14 times radius of 2. Okay, I'm going to use my calculator so it's faster. 2 times 3.14 times 2 is 12.56. Okay, and then divide that by 2. Which should give you, don't laugh at me for using my calculator for this part, 6.28. Okay, that is this part right here, 6.28. So then you add it, 6.28 plus all your other sides, plus 4, plus 5, plus 7. Okay, so let's do that. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 7, 22.28 meters, it says. And I checked in the book, and we are right on that. Woo! Okay, let's figure out area. Okay, for area, now, I don't know about you, but I can't just like look at this shape and say like, oh, the area is some kind of formula. No, not gonna happen. I'm gonna have to cut this shape into 3 parts. I'm gonna have to cut it into the semicircle. Then I'm gonna have to cut it into the square that's over here. And then the triangle that's over there. Okay? Let's go with the square first because it's easy, don't you think? It's 4 times something. Do not tell me it's 4 times 7. I will beat you. Okay? It's 4 times something. Well, what is this side right here? What is the height of this square or this rectangle or whatever it is? Well, if the radius is 2, this is the diameter of the circle, if you can see that. Or you can see that this is 2 right here because it's the radius and this is 2. So what is your height? It's 4. Okay, it's 2 times the radius because that's the height of the circle and our square at this point. Okay, so it's 4. So we have 4 times 4 is 16. So let's just put that over here, 16 plus.